My name is Mahesh Patankar. I'm founder and CEO at Inpain Systems Atria Private Limited. We work in the energy sector, mobility, greening of rural value chain, circularity, and we also are licensing a few technologies from premium institutions to take those technologies to the rural markets. This workshop was very timely. India is definitely moving forward with a lot of renewables that are getting added. And what is important is to convert the vision of digital energy grid and its manifestation, which is India energy stack, into reality. And today's deliberations were very important for us to link DG, IAS firstly, and the second part being coming up with some use cases which we can roll out and take it to the marketplace. So, excellent speakers, excellent thoughts, and excellent participants. I also thoroughly enjoyed the agentic AI applications which were presented that are happening on the Atria campus itself. So, kudos to the Atria University team for having initiated that. So I think India Energy Stack, which is a manifestation of the digital energy grid, is absolutely a path-breaking local to global opportunity which the thought leaders such as Mr. Nandan Nilekani has developed. And under his leadership and leadership of FIDE and the Minister of Power, I'm very sure that a lot of opportunities would emerge for those who are working in the energy sector. So far we have looked at generation part of it, but I think now it's important for us to absorb and appreciate prosumers who are going to consume at their end. At the same time, demand flexibility and demand response as additional efforts or additional resources that are available to the grid. And if we did not imagine DEG or IES, all of this would have been very difficult to roll out. So really glad that we are seeing this very important transformation, and this transformation has not happened in many other countries. So India is really leading the rollout of some of this, which then I'm sure will be taken to the global markets as well. I think you used a very important word, which is the interdisciplinary. What's important is we cannot sort of limit ourselves only to some kind of a solution, which is a hardware solution, be it like a controller or be it a battery energy management system or battery energy storage system itself. It's important to bring in sort of socio-technical and economic efforts into the energy sector. And the interdisciplinary approach that Atria University and several other universities that are taking in the country is absolutely important to bring in the sociologists, technologists, economists, and also entrepreneurs into the system. So based on my understanding of the space, I think there is a huge opportunity for newer incubators to evolve and a lot of patient capital, private equity, and angel investments to happen in some of the incubated startups. And I think Atria University is at the very right place to sort of even create that additional ecosystem.